Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter number 2 of your EVS, that is migrations of family. Okay, as we studied in the previous chapter, migration क्या होता है? Moving from one place to another. जब हम एक place से दूसरे place पे move करते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं migrations. In this chapter we will study what are the reasons of migration, that people क्यों migrate करते हैं. The first one is economic reasons. Second is education, better facilities, rehabilitation and demonetization. So let us study by the board video. Okay, so migration of families means migration refers to moving from one place to another. वन प्लेस से अनदर प्लेस पे मूव करने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड द माइग्रेशन ऑफ फैमिलीज. पूरी फैमिली जब वन प्लेस से अनदर प्लेस पे मूव करती है दैट इज कॉल्ड माइग्रेशन. माइग्रेशन ऑल्सो मीन्स शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ओके, सो नाउ माइग्रेशन ऑफ फैमिलीज हैज वेरियस रीजन्स. क्या है उसके? वेरियस रीजन्स है. सो दीज रीजन्स आर एज फॉलोज. The first one is economic reasons. Economic reasons. Economic reasons क्या होते हैं? Economic reasons mainly refers to the money related problems. Economic means money. Someone is rich or someone is poor. Rich और poor के basis पे जो migration होता है, that means a poor family cannot survive in a rich state. Where everything is too much costly, जहाँ पे बहुत महंगाई होती है, there poor people cannot survive. तो migration किन basis पे होता है? From poor to rich. Means rich people have other lifestyle and poor people have other lifestyle. तो they all depend on the economic reasons. इसकी basis पे migration होता है. Then the second reason of migration is the education. Education means the village areas do not have proper schools or better facilities of education. So what do people do? They move from small villages or cities to higher or bigger cities or countries, जहाँ पे education facilities are much more better than the small areas. Then people, what they do, they migrate from small sectors to the bigger sectors for better education. Okay, so first one is economic reason, second is education reason. Then the third one is better facilities. Better facilities. Better facilities means the facilities which we require daily, like market, okay, schools, better jobs, etc. Means जहाँ पे हमको facilities small area से better मिलती है in the bigger sectors. What do people do? They migrate from one place to another. If better market है, better schools है, the most important better hospitals है ना, जहाँ पे medical facilities भी ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. तो what do people do? They migrate from small areas to bigger areas in the sake of economic reasons, education reason and better facility reasons. Okay, so now let us come to the fourth facilities, that is rehabilitation and demolition. Rehabilitation are the colonies which are constructed by the government. ऐसी colonies जहाँ पे जो there are some people who takes that place unauthorized, means जो गैर कानूनी जगह ले लेते ना to make their houses or to construct something. What do the government do? They demolish. उनको क्या करते हैं? Demolition करते हैं. उस एरिया को वो तोड़ देते हैं. Then they construct some government अंडर गवर्नमेंट कंसिडरेशन जितनी भी चीज़ें बनती है, दे ट्राई टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दैट थिंग्स नियर द रिहेबिलिटेशन एरिया। मीन्स जहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ऑथराइज नहीं होती है, वहाँ पे इफ़ कोई कॉलोनी कंस्ट्रक्ट होती है, देन दैट इज़ अ रिहेबिलिटेटेड कॉलोनी एंड दैट इज़ कंस्ट्रक्टेड थ्रू डिमोलिशन। सी एज यू कैन सी हियर, this is the colony or the houses are destructed by the government, that is called demolition, and construction of dams sometimes leads to displacement। क्या करते हैं वो ऐसी कॉलोनीज़ को डिमोलिश करके एक रिहेबिलिटेशन कॉलोनी बनाते। रिहेबिलिटेशन कॉलोनी इज़ अ कॉलोनी प्रोवाइडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू द पीपल दोज हाउसेस आर डिकंस्ट्रक्टेड ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ डिमोलिशन। ओके, तो ऐसी कॉलोनीज़ में गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड एवरी फैसिलिटी to the people। Okay, so this is what we had studied in this chapter, that why do people migrate? They migrate due to economic reasons, education facilities, better facilities, and due to rehabilitation colonies।